Good job. Can you come this way? Look where you want to go. Keep your hands down and forward. Good job. Are you excited? Yeah. That's your little pony girl. Huh? So the saddle is crooked right now. Yeah, it's out to the outside. You can swing it a little bit to the inside. Good job. Just watch out for that manure that you don't ride through it, please. Good job. Don't forget to tell her good girl. Shorten your reins, Aaliyah. They're very long. Want to make sure those are short enough. Shorten them a bunch more. Yeah, good job. So now ask her to walk.